Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who loves sharing ideas but feels a bit camera shy, you're not alone. I get it, being in front of the camera can feel daunting and overwhelming. But did you know that you can still create amazing content without being the star of the show? Today, I'm diving into some unique video ideas that allow you to express yourself, share your knowledge, and connect with others, all while staying behind the scenes. Whether it's through educational commentary, silent tutorials, or engaging visuals, there's a way for every voice to be heard, even if it's a little shy. So grab a notebook, and let's explore creative ways to bring your ideas to life without the pressure of being on camera. Let's get started. Given your strengths and preferences, here are some YouTube video ideas that may suit you well. Educational commentary. Create videos discussing interesting topics you've learned about, using visuals, text, or voiceovers to convey your insights. This allows you to share knowledge without being on camera. Podcast-style videos. Record audio discussions or interviews with guests, covering various life topics or experiences. Pair the audio with relevant visuals or animations. Book movie reviews. Share your thoughts and reviews on books or movies that you enjoy. You can use images and quotes instead of speaking directly to the camera. Silent tutorials. Make tutorial videos where you show how to do something, like a craft or a recipe, using text overlays and background music instead of speaking. Top 10 lists. Create videos featuring top 10 lists on topics you find interesting, like life hacks, travel tips, or historical events with engaging visuals. Reflection videos. Share your personal reflections and lessons learned on various topics through a slideshow or animated background. Documentary-style shorts. Research and create short documentary videos on subjects that interest you using stock footage, images, and narration. These concepts will allow you to express yourself while minimizing the need for social interaction or on-camera presence. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.